Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to teach you some spiritual and physical uses of the bitter leaves. So, the herb that you are seeing on the screen is what we call the bitter leaf. The bitter leaf is very common. Scientifically, it is called the Venonia amygdalina. The Nigerians who speak Yoruba call it Alamoja Ewuro, whilst the Igbos call it Onugbu. When you come to Ghana, the Akans call it Awonyunu. The Hausa people call it Shwaka. It is very, very common. When you go to Muslim communities especially, you will find the bitter leaf there. When you tell them you want shwaka, you can easily get it. They mostly use it for so many things. They sometimes even squeeze it to prepare soup and stuff because of its so many nutritional values that it has. If you constantly eat it, you will not suffer from malaria and even diabetes, high cholesterol and stuff. So that is why they mostly use it. Let's look at some of the health benefits of it or some of the sicknesses that it can treat. So if you have stubborn pile, what you do is that you squeeze the bitter leaf with pawpaw leaves and then scent leaves or what they call nunum, the osimum gratissimum. That is what you see on the screen. You squeeze these three herbs together, the bitter leaf, pawpaw leaves, and then the osimum gratissimum together. The scent leaf, you squeeze these three together. You can keep it inside your fridge and then you drink 1 cup twice daily after eating. If you do that for about 2 weeks, your piles will just vanish from you. If you also have stubborn malaria, you can just grind it with ginger and then you squeeze out the juice and you drink. If you do this for about 4 days, that malaria will be nowhere to be found. Also, if you have malaria, you can boil the leaves with mango leaves and then lemongrass. Then you drink morning and evening for about a week, and then that malaria will leave you. So that is another way to treat the malaria with the bitter leaf. If you have rheumatism, the pain, the area that you feel the pain, you are just going to grind the bitter leaf and then you mix with honey and apply on the area that you feel the pain. The pain will just vanish miraculously. So those people who have arthritis or rheumatism, just be grinding bitter leaf with and then mix with honey and apply at the area. And then for those people who cannot sleep, just blend some bitter leaf and then add honey to it. Just take about 3 spoons in the evening and then you sleep very well. For those people who have eczema, just grind the bitter leaf and then go for sulfur powder. When you go to some pharmacies, you get sulfur powder and mix it together and apply it on the eczema. It will just leave you very fast. And then if you are also such that you are always having body weakness, just grind the bitter leaf, add some water to it, sieve it and drink just 1 cup. You see that you'll be free. And then also if you have a stubborn wound, just grind the leaves and apply on the wound. It will just leave you. That wound that is refusing to be healed, it will just leave. If you are such that you are feeling feverish, just go to the bitter leaf. So that is why you are supposed to plant some of the bitter leaf in your house because it does so many things. If you have fever, instead of walking to the pharmacy, you can easily decide to use the bitter leaf. So that one, you just grind it, add some water and sieve it and you drink. You see that feverishness will just go. So you just do it 3 times daily. You see that fever will just leave you. So even if your child become feverish, just squeeze the bitter leaf and then use it to bath the child. Or even if you are an older person, just use it to bath. It will go. That is why if you have measles or chicken pox, you just squeeze out the bitter leaf with alcohol. That's why you are not going to add water. Just apply it on the whole body and then it will just leave you. That measles will go. And then also, if you are such that your partner is cheating on you, for you, what you are going to do is that just grind the bitter leaf, add some honey, And then anytime you want to sleep with a person, just apply it around your genitals. If you're a woman, just apply it around your genital and then sleep with the person. If you do that for some time, the person will be glued to you alone. Then the person will stop cheating. If you are such that you have itching on your body, just grind it and then mix with water. Drink this liquid twice daily, and then that itching will just leave you. If you are also having cough, just chew the leaves before going to bed. Do this for 3 days, and then the cough will just leave you miraculously. If you also have stomach problems, just extract the juice from the bitter leaf, mix more, mix some with water, and then you drink. If you mix it with water and you drink, that stomach problem will just leave you. So there are a lot of things that you can use the bitter leaf for. If you are having internal heat, just ensure that you grind the bitter leaf with scent leaves, and then you boil together. You drink 1 cup twice daily for 1 week, and that internal heat will just leave you. And then if you are having hair breakage, you make bitter leaf and scent leaf juice. You get 1 bottle of olive oil and then 1 bottle of honey. You mix all together, and then you warm it for some few minutes. So you put it on fire and then you warm it for some few minutes, and then use that mixture to wash your hair. You see that your hair breakage will just stop. Then you also have long hair. If you are also such that you have diabetes, you can just squeeze the water from the bitter leaf and you'll be drinking. It will leave you. If you are also having high blood pressure, just blend the bitter leaf with scent leaves or the Osimum gratissimum leaves, and then you drink 1 cup twice daily. Bitter it will normalize the blood pressure that you are having. And then also, if you are such that you want to cleanse your liver and then detox it, just grind bitter leaf and scent leaf together. Drink 1 cup twice daily. It will do wonders to your liver. It will cleanse it. And then if you are also having skin diseases, that one, what we are going to do is that we are just going to grind the bitter leaf and then the scent leaf, and then you are just going to add it to water and then use it to bath. You are not going to use towel, so you are going to do it for some time, and then those things will just leave you. And then also, if you are such that all the time you are having asthmatic attack, for those people who are always having asthma, you are just going to grind the bitter leaf and then you squeeze out the juice. So you are going to add water and then you squeeze out the juice. Anytime that you want to drink it, what you do is that you just pour some into a disposable cup, you cut 1 lime and then add to it, then you drink. So you are going to do this morning and evening for some time, and then the asthma will be a thing of the past. If you are also having stubborn typhoid, in addition to the medicine that you are taking, kindly ensure that you squeeze out bitter leaf and then you drink some of the water in addition to it. It will just leave you. And then also, if you constantly take the bitter leaf, like maybe you use it for food and stuff, it is going to help you to build a lot of blood. So if you are such that you are always short of blood, kindly ensure that you do this particular remedy. And then also, if you want to prevent cancer, kindly ensure that you grind the bitter leaf and then you drink from time to time. So sometimes, maybe some weekend, if you are at home, you just have to blend some and then you drink. It is going to prevent cancer, and then it is going to control your sugar level and all those problems. So please kindly ensure that you always have bitter leaf with you. And then also, if you are having symptoms of menopause, just blend bitter leaf and then add 2 spoons of honey to it, and then drink 1 cup of it. So you just blend 1 cup of water with the bitter leaf, then you add 2 spoons of honey to it, and then you drink. Then all those problems associated with menopause is going to leave you. So you'll be drinking that from time to time, and then it is going to help you very well. So thank you for watching this video. There are a lot of things that I've said about the bitter leaf in other videos, so please kindly ensure that you also watch the other videos on the channel. If you are a new person, kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel. I have also spiritual soap that I've made with the bitter leaf, so please, for those ones are for favor and stuff. If you need some, you can contact the number on the screen, and then I can send some to you wherever you are, even if you are outside Ghana or even elsewhere. I can send to you. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.